Hey guys, TrevorMan5 here with a test of my 8mm vintage camera app that I got. I think it was during Christmas. Anyway, sorry, I'm watching Wizard of the Lady play. It's well, it's alright. I'm in the 1920s version. Yeah, whole thing. Cena. 60s. Nor. I have no idea what the fuck that is. Yeah, better put the money in the bag so no one takes it. X Pro. Oh, wrong one. Sakura. Can't like Sakura. 70, bitch. There's the 1920s. I like the 1920s. That's really the only reason I got this.
That's a great idea. No, it's not. I mean, it's a good idea, but I know how to make it a great idea. Why limit yourself to just drive-thrus?
Anyway, this is a perfect app for like time traveling videos. Not like oh, time machine. No, like what I just did there. Like,
as I say in the budget binder, never hire someone to do something that you can do yourself. You and I will wait the tables. Dad, you can cook the food. I can handle that.
well, yeah, like you make videos that look like you're traveling through time, not like time machine. That well, I just did basically make look 70s, 60s, 1920s.
I got a customer handling this.
You might be good when you're not singing on TV, except for that one episode. But but you're terrible at that song. I'm just saying, Selena.
So bored, that's your scare, Harper.
Just make the copy already. I don't care. I love you, Selena. Alright, but anyways, I'm a little off track. This is a good app, and I mean good. Bye.
Sure, Alex.
Just rate.
You sitting on drunk?
Excellent. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Add to your favorites. If you don't, you don't like me, go fuck yourself. Just kidding.